How to cancel Turo Trip. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel Turo Trip. So kindly follow along. The first step is for you to log in into your Turo account just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the profile icon, and then you click on it. By clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you see options like favorite, trips, inbox. So ensure you click on trips since you're trying to cancel a trip. By selecting trip, you'll be taken to all your trips, all the trips that you've booked, okay? And you would see the upcoming ones, you see the ones that you've gone, you've traveled with. All right, just wait for your page to load, and then once you see all the trip, choose the upcoming trip you want to cancel. Okay, just choose the upcoming trip you want to cancel, and then by choosing the trip on the trips page, you see the cancel trip option. Just select it and tap on it. All right, once you select cancel trip, a list of prompts will be displayed on your screen. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation and provide a reason if asked. Then keep in mind that cancellation policies may vary and you might incur fees depending on when you cancel the trip. And most times it's always a good idea to check the terms for your booking before you go ahead. So this is how to cancel Turo Trip. It's very simple. Just find your way to your Trips tab, select the trip that you would like to cancel, then follow the prompts and the trip would be cancelled automatically. Thank you for watching and have a good day.